India's flag, so bold and bright, freedom's flame, a guiding light. Independence won, hearts unite, proudly soaring, our spirits take flight. With courage true, we stood as one, breaking chains, our freedom won. Independence Day, a shining sun, India's story, a victory run. Tricolor waves in skies so blue, Independence Day, a dream come true. From struggle to triumph, a journey through, India proud, in red and white and blue. In 70 years, we have come so far, guided by leaders like a guiding star. Independence Day, a nation's memoir, India's spirit shines near and far. Remember the sacrifices, the battles we fought, independence achieved, freedom dearly bought. On this special day, let unity be sought, India's strength and diversity, a treasure trove. Gandhi's teachings, a message clear, non-violence and truth, hold them dear. Independence's call, we could finally hear, India free, a cause for cheer. From Jallianwala Bagh to Dandi marches sand, every struggle etched by our freedom band. Independence Day, a time to understand, India's past, a resilient stand. A united nation, diverse and grand, celebrate freedom across the land. Independence's flame, we hold in our hand, India's destiny, a dream so grand. Rivers flow, mountains stand, across the land of a free India grand. Independence's gift, a precious brand, in unity we rise, hand in hand. August 15th, a date so prime, Independence's chime, like a rhythmic rhyme. India's progress, like the march of time, on this day, let celebrations climb. With love for the land, hearts entwine, celebrating freedom, a feeling divine. Independence's legacy, like aged wine, India's pride, in every line. From darkness to light, a historic shift, Independence's joy, a powerful lift. India's destiny, like a precious gift, on this day, spirits uplift. In unity we stand, a nation strong, Independence's melody, like a joyful song. India's heritage, rich and long, celebrate freedom all day long. From struggle to glory, a journey profound, Independence's echo all around. India's unity, a common ground, on this day, let celebrations resound. With hope in our hearts, we proudly say, Independence's blessings, like a sun's bright ray. India's spirit, in every way, on this special day, hooray! The tricolor unfurls, high and wide, Independence's victory, felt inside. India's strength, like a roaring tide, let freedom's essence be our guide. In the pages of history, our tale is writ, Independence's triumph, a cherished fit. India's pride, we will never quit, on this day, let jubilation emit. From struggle to glory, hand in hand, Independence's torch, we will always withstand. India's unity, a strong band, celebrating freedom across the land. On this day, let's come together, Independence's bond, a lasting tether. India's future, we will shape and feather, with determination, in any weather. With gratitude and joy, we stand tall, Independence's victory. A united call, India's progress, a journey for all, on this day, let celebrations enthrall.